They no, I can't keep up with you. Yeah, dive, but what you gotta do with it? I tell you if the current ain't current, no one knows what to do with it. Addicted like the first hit. Yo, I'm high up the memory, birth my identity. Cat and mouse with that new. Ayy, dumb me down, make me too cool. Ayy, lose control like voodoo. Ayy, I've been chosen for that old school, lost in her language you don't know. You can't encrypt the code. This love's unusual. Forget the world before. You can't just fake the mode. Take that shit on the road. You always on the go. You don't stop anymore. Like Jill, smell the roses. Girl, you way prettier than them hoses, but you keeping your distance. And I'm tryna get intimate, but she say she don't feel that. Only feels all the likes and the views. Only touch through a touchscreen. Ooh, this ain't a us thing, and I'll never be at this pace. Cause I can't keep up with your phone. No, ayy, I can't keep up with your phone. No, ayy, put that shit on airplane mode like oh, no, I can't keep up with your phone. No, put that shit on airplane mode. What you want, what you need, you can't tell them apart. You compare everything and it breaks your heart. Say what you want, what you need, you can't tell them apart. Say you compare everything and it breaks your heart. Like ooh, that new, too cool, that voodoo. Lost in a fake mode, on the road, on the go. Yeah. All the dudes and the girls seem cool with it. When the wisdom be dropping umbrella, it's a nuisance. Not following the feeling or the instinct, just fall in line with the symmetry. Cat and mouse with that new. Ayy, dumb me down, maybe too cool. Ayy, lose control like voodoo. Ayy, I've been chosen for that old school, lost in a language you don't know. You can't encrypt the code. This love's unusual. Forget the world before. That new, too cool. That voodoo. This is nobody important. Dive and Shecky, bitch.